Today at Human versus Phone we have
Why do I know how cat shit tastes?
Can you game to a coffee with me? Why are you doing this? Good morning dear time traveler and welcome back to Human versus Phone. So last week I asked you if you ever tried to wax your nose and some people actually responded to this. So Rafael52 said, no, I never tried to take off my wax from nose. I think that you meant here that you tried to wax your nose, but you never tried to take off the wax from your nose. Dominica Raviola said, yes, and I suffered 2 weeks. I never tried to wax my nose, so I don't really know the feeling, but I think it's really painful, so I'm sorry for you. So Amy Dalton said, oh my god, really there are women that have hair in the nose? And no, I never try wax. Everyone has hair in the nose. It's actually very protective to not get like any dirt in your nose. I think, Amy, you are feeling now like a princess from Coachella because you never had like hair in your nose, but you actually have. Guys, can someone explain to me why some people can't just leave their hair in peace? Like they just had to do something with it. Why? Just watch this guy, what he's doing with his hair. That's painful to me. Why are you doing this? Oh my god. That looks so bad. Oh yes, it's very classy with the bowl. You know how I will call you? Marcus! Marcus! Can I take you out in the town? Okay, let's go. Look, even this girl. What's that on your hair, girl? What's that? That's bad. That's really bad. I don't know what's that, but it looks bad. It looks like you just fucked up your hair. Like, for real. Girl, I need to say, what you created on your face is a masterpiece. Why did you do that to your hair? But I understand, for the views, it wasn't enough. The masterpiece on your face wasn't enough. You needed to ruin your hair for the views. I get that, but please don't do that anymore. And next time, if you wanna do views with this, put cement on your hair. It will look much more nicer. Oh my god, she cut her hair. She cut her hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so bad. Why? Why are you trying these trends? Why? Why? I can't understand why. I mean, this is awful. Oh my god, look at that bangs. What's that? Why are these people doing this by themselves? Just go to a salon and get a haircut, like a normal haircut. Because if you don't go like every other week, it's not that expensive. I mean, it's affordable. Just go and cut your hair at the salon. You know how I would call that haircut? Mrs. Trashlin. Hi, Mrs. Trashlin. Can you game to a coffee with me? Come, let's go and go and drink a coffee. Your haircut looks exactly like hers, Mrs. Trashlin. Exactly. And now you would ask me this, but Blondie, what would you want to see to be happy? To see what people are really doing in life? Yes, I would like to see that. Oh, I'm too old for this platform. So guys, I don't know about you, but I'm cleaning my house because I don't like insects to be like, I hate insects, but some people actually love them. Oh my god, that was so disgusting. You know how I'm imagining this scene? You take your sandwich, you clean the fucking table because these insects are everywhere. They are even in your sandwich. Guys, I already told you, your food is in the trash can, and please don't forget to take a shower because we need to make a TikTok today and I need to put you in my mouth, so last time you tasted like cat shit. Why do I know how cat shit tastes? Guys, why all of these trends with tons of makeup, tons of layers, and why? Are you conscious that you are not helping nobody with this? Like you, the creator that did this, you aren't helping nobody with this. Just watch this video. Why are you wasting so much foundation? Like, are you not helping nobody with this? Like nobody, because nobody will put so much foundation when they wanna get a look, like a normal look. You know how I'm imagining like these persons are just thinking about how this life on internet works? Guys, at 20,000 views, I will eat pet food. At 50,000 views, I will cut my hand and I will do a makeup with it. At 100,000 views, I will cut my grandma's hair. But keep calm, she doesn't have hair anymore because of the last week's challenge when I just burned her hair. That's what I'm thinking, that these persons are thinking about this life on internet. Now let's make the situation much more sweeter, and maybe with the food we will have more success to find something that makes us happy. Let's watch this!
Real food. Let's go. Fake. Real. Да в смысле? Real food.
Oh my god, oh no. This guy is the answer to what are they seeing when they are consuming drugs? Oh my god, Pikachu, I need to catch it! So guys, even with the food, it was a complete fail. Now the weekly question is, which was your favorite cringe video from this episode and why? Tell me in the comments and feel free to send some cringe videos via my Gmail because I would love to see those and maybe I can be your voice for those videos too on the next episode. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we feel much more cringier than yesterday. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find another TikToks. Come here, little Pikachu.